Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this section, we are going to focus on lists in Python. So a list is a collection of items that are ordered and changeable. They are created using square brackets, and items in lists are separated by commas. A list can store items of different types, for example, integers, string, or even other lists. And we can access the list elements using index, starting from 0. Let me illustrate it with an example. In order to declare and initialize a list called fruit here, we are having a square bracket here, and there are 3 elements in this list of mine, and they are separated by a comma. So you see here, there are strings. This is why we are having double quotes. There are 3 elements, and they are separated by commas here, and they are declared in square brackets here, sorry. In order to access elements of a list, we can simply use the print function, type down the name of the list, and then the index. Okay, so because our indexing system starts from 0, we are having 3 elements with these indexes. So apple is the first one, so the index is 0. Banana is the second one, the index is 1, and cherry is the third element in this list, but its index is 2. So 0, 1, 2 are the indices in this list of us, okay, of ours. This is very important to note that all of the lists start from indexing 0. Please keep that in mind. So if I want to print the first element of this list, I'm going to type down the name of the list, and in the square brackets, I'm going to type down the index. So if I want to print apple, I'm typing down index 0. If I want to print banana, I'm typing down index 1. And if I want to print out cherry, I'm typing down the index 2 here. So let me run this code. So when we run this code, we see in the output apple, banana, and cherry. So in this video, we learned about lists and how to create them and how to access the elements of a list. In the next videos in this section, we are going to dive into deeper concepts of lists, and we are going to have some practical coding exercises, so we can have a comprehensive view and understanding of lists in Python. Thank you for watching.